Lesson 6. 13. Pei Shen Tree. Left foot steps forward a little with heel touching down the ground. Tiptoe turns left by about 45 degrees, and body turns left, with your center of gravity moving forward. Right hand moves out along the left forearm, palm facing downward. Move the weight to the left foot. Turn left. Stand upright. Keep the left leg bow-shaped, and prop the right leg. Right hand moves forward. Left hand pulls back at the position of abdomen. Put the weight on the left foot. Right foot rises up with its sole attaching to inner side of left foot. Right foot steps forward to make center of gravity fall on right foot. Heel should touch the ground first. Body turns right slightly followed by the right arm. Turn left. Move the weight to the left foot. Outer margin of right palm moves forward and down to the right pelvis. Turn left slightly. Right hand makes a loose fist. Bend the arm and relax the shoulders. Right arm draws a clockwise circle, with elbow as axis. Turn right slightly. Move the weight to the right foot. Right fist stretches conversely out along the eyebrow with palm inward. Face east. Left hand draws back at the position of abdomen. Droop the shoulders and sink the elbows. Relax the waist and droop the hips. Draw back the chin slightly, and relax the shoulders. Keep the body upright and breathe smoothly. 14. Ban Lan Tree. Right fist naturally droop. Turn left slightly. Weight shifts to left foot. Turn right slightly. Raise your right forearm clockwise along the center line with right elbow as an axis until your forearm is right in front of your abdomen. Right heel touches the ground with toes slightly rise. Face to the east. Turn right. Right tiptoe turns to the right for about 45 degrees with heel as the axis. Right forearm turns upright. Use your left hand to hold your right arm. Face to the southeast. Weight shifts to the right foot. Right forearm travels clockwise in a curve with elbow as the axis. Throw out your left hand along right forearm. Left foot moves to inner side of right foot. Left hand stretches forward to the height of abdomen, palm facing downward. Right fist draws back at the side of crotch. Left foot steps eastward with heel touching the ground, weight shifts forward. Body moves forward with right fist punching out along the center line from the side of waist. Take left hand back. Shift weight forward. Keep the left leg bow-shaped and prop the right leg. Right fist strikes forward. Relax the waist and droop the hips. Draw back the chin slightly, and relax the shoulders. Keep the body upright and breathe smoothly. 15. Ru Feng CB. Relax waist and pelvis. Turn left slightly. Right fist stretches forward slightly to the left. Left hand stretches to below the right elbow, palm facing right downward. Left hand moves to the front of left shoulder along the right forearm, palm facing outward. Draws back the right arm. Squat. Move the weight to the right foot. Raise left tiptoe with heel on the ground. Turn right slightly. Left hand moves to the right side with palm facing right. Put the weight on the right foot. Arms naturally droop. Turn left slightly. Face east. Stand upright. Raise hands to chest along the center line with palms facing each other. Droop the shoulders and sink the elbows. Relax the waist and droop the hips. Prop the right foot and center of gravity moves forward. Stand on the left foot firmly. Hands push forward with body with the left leg bent and right leg straight. 16. CZ Show. Droop the shoulders and sink the elbows. Hands push upward further. Relax the waist and droop the hips. Lift hands slightly. Turn the right tiptoe to the right slightly with heel as the axis. Turn the body to the right. Move the weight to the right foot. Face south. Hands cross in front of face. Turn left tiptoe slightly right to the south with heel as the axis. Turn the body to the right facing southwest. Turn the right tiptoe towards southwest with heel as the axis. Move the weight to the right foot. Bend knees slightly. Hands separate slightly apart. Crouch down on knees. Droop the shoulders and sink the elbows. Hands make a stroke downward from both sides. Right tiptoe turns left to the south with heel as the axis. Face southeast. Put the weight to the left foot. Hands move upward further while holding each other. Right foot steps down near the left foot to make heels next to each other. Right tiptoe faces southwest. Hands cross in front of the mouth.